Today I'm going to show you the 10 amazing tips and tricks in Photoshop. Alright, so let's get started. Don't do this. Instead try this. Duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Select, then click Subject. Duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Shape Tool, select Line Tool. Align it with the perspective of the photo. Select one of the subject copy. To resize and reposition it, open your Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command T. Make sure this box is checked to see the anchor point. Drag the anchor point to the center of the perspective. Go to a corner. Just press Alt or Option as you drag it. Once you're happy with its size and position, press Enter. Just repeat it with another copy of the subject. Don't do this. Instead try this. Go to Clone Stamp tool. Next, go to Window, click Clone Source. Flip horizontal. Hold Alt key on the keyboard and click to get a sample, and paint it on the other ear. Don't do this. Instead try this. First, rasterize layer. Next, go to Select. Click the subject. Go to Select. Click the Save selection. Let's name it Subject. Go to Select and click Deselect or press Ctrl D on the keyboard. Go to Edit and click Content Aware Scale. Just press Alt or Option as you drag it. Once you're happy with its size, press Enter. Don't do this. Instead try this. 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 Sign in a white piece of paper and take a photo or scan if possible. Once in Photoshop, crop the signature and go to Channels. Select the red channel because it has the highest contrast between the signature and the paper. Go to Image, Adjustments and Curves. Hold the Alt key or the Option key on the keyboard and take the slider on the right to the left to the point where the details around the signature go away. Similarly, hold the Alt key or the Option key and take the slider on the left to the right just to the point where you begin to see these black artifacts. Hit OK. Hold the Control or Command and click on the thumbnail of the red channel. This selects the white areas. Press Ctrl or Command-Shift-I to invert the selection. Get back to layers. You don't need this anymore, so turn it off and create a solid color adjustment layer with whatever color you wish. And here you have your digital signature on a transparent background. You can save it as a PNG if you wish. If you think this video helped you, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't do this. Instead, try this. Don't do this. Instead, try this. If you think this video helped you, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.